Hi everyone. So in this video, we will be talking about the step-by-step registration process for TCS NQT 2027. Let's start. So as we guys all know that TCS announced the 2027 batch hiring for on-campus institutes. This is priority college hiring. Okay, this is a priority institute hiring in which the registrations are started. Mostly the deadline is by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or by 15th. Okay, for many colleges. Let's discuss about this. So see, first of all, you will get the link of the TCS NQT mock test series in the description, through which you can start your TCS NQT preparation for 2027. Also, you can start with the daily test for practice. So these daily tests we are providing for your practice. So you can use these daily tests for your practice. Okay. So basically these daily tests will help you out a lot for your daily practice, and you can build your consistency for solving the aptitude question using these daily tests. After that, soon we will be starting with the live test. We will be starting with the practice test. Okay, so all the instructions we will be providing you in the WhatsApp group which you can join from this course. Okay, and if you are from 2027 batch, the link of the WhatsApp group will be in the description for your discussion. Now let's discuss about the registration process. So they are saying first we need to visit on the next step TCS portal. Okay, so what is TCS next step portal? So let's go on TCS next step portal. So basically this is the TCS next step portal. Okay, the next step which we need to do is we need to click on register now, select category as IT, and fill in the details to generate a reference ID. Click for apply to drive. Okay, what does it mean? So basically, if you can see here, this is the next step portal in which you will be seeing a portal like this, in which you can see here TCS next step register now. So you need to click on this button which is register now. After clicking on this button, you will be seeing total two categories. The one category is IT, the second one is BPS, business process services. So you need to select on this information technology, which is IT. It is very important. If you will not select this category now, everything will be doomed for you. Don't miss this. This is a very important step in which you need to select this category as IT. Okay. After selecting this category as IT, they will be asking you basic details like your Aadhaar card number. They will be doing the Aadhaar card verification. They will be asking you your name, your details, address. Okay, these kind of details they will be asking, and after completing that you will be getting a message on the screen like this: hi Praful, your registration is now complete. In this message here you will be seeing your CTDT ID. Now this CTDT ID is very important. This will help you out in your test, in your interviews, and all of your future endeavors in TCS. So here you will be getting the details of your CTDT reference ID. Okay, and this ID is very important to keep it, and please keep it with you. So please log in with your register account by using your CTDT ID and then apply for drive. This message you will be getting. Okay, and the apply for drive option will be visible only for the eligible candidates. You are expected to complete your TCS application form letter. You can click here to login, and after clicking on login you can log in with the same details. After login you will be seeing this option which is apply for drive. Okay, in this apply for drive option in your portal, when you will be doing the login, you will be getting the skills for which you want to evaluate, and you will be getting the option to choose the test centers, and here you can apply. Okay, if you are from 2027 batch and if your institute is eligible to participate, if you are from 2027 batch and if your institute is eligible to participate, then only you will be seeing this option. If you got this basically this mail from your institute, from your college, then you are only eligible to participate in this hiring process, as this is on campus hiring process for TCS priority college priority institutes. Okay, so this way you can complete your registration. After clicking on apply, clicking on apply for drive, your registration will be completed. Okay, so this will be the basic registration process which you need to do. Okay, and the link of the mock test series will be in the description, which you can check out for your preparation. Thank you so much for watching.